Hi Jingle, my name is Anne. I'm from Ternopil, Ukraine. Don't be so sad. Not all children are greedy and naughty. I think they like Christmas because Christmas time is family time. In Ukraine we don't get any presents at Christmas Day. This is my video story about Christmas in Ukraine.
On the eve of the 6th of January, the Ukrainians have a holy supper. They put straw under the table and hay under the tablecloth. When the Ukrainians see the first star in the evening sky, holy supper starts. There are 12 dishes because of 12 apostles. The main one is kutya. Family gathers round the table, light candles, and eat kutya. In the corner of the room, there is diva. It is a symbol of family unity. At the end of supper, the family often sings Christmas carols. In the morning of Christmas Day, on the 7th of January, people go to church. They have Christmas service. Merry Christmas!
These shoes are for you, Jingle. Keep warm, feel warm. This sweet Christmas tree is for you, Santa. It's delicious. Merry Christmas.